Kotoma airia mun kaso makalwa ngale lualo muntos kwa dekisha noeras no apugan kanu mamerasi no apugan kwa paran na bian kwa duke nanu ke districta. Dr. Nick Okwi ngesabu kitijena aloskineta noewa ilo angale kwa muria kanwe itijia wea na Elweera.
I am happy to report that at least in our facilities we are screening over 90% of the clients whom we are seeing for TB, and that's very important. We know that TB is an emerging threat, one of those emerging diseases, re-emerging actually, because at one time it was a big killer. Though we felt it was controlled, but it's really re-emerging as a killer. And so we're going to have a screening of over 90%. That's good. Though of course our target is that 100% of patients must be screened for tuberculosis.
Kisinyiko ikidongesi Itunga kochaloi akokakin alosenen anyena radekshanu ya piete toma park nedu munatar aolangin na iriki na park.
TB is curable. You should not have stigma when you start coughing and you see the cough is persisting for over 1 week. Please visit the health facility. Don't take it for granted. Visit your health worker and be able to ask them to ensure that they screening for TB.
Samuel Ikopit loepolokit aina peta Elweera kata pon ko district alwa muria nges ebalebe erokisulai luitunga luinwa kununu Elweera ikiara no ikwa muria.
Adeka na TB Eroko neseji tomakidin kerekedoni otosodo epulke botoma muria district. Also otoma lapalo suriton lo unyeta kotangon nganyasi ndo be kota ni posa korona presa domunu nepeta Adeka gando sapota taka de kada kriso ni ndio konyedo toma kota bugulo lo January la lapalo ngote kono kadalo kantape oke bi perona domunu tonga nepeta kasaka nyare anu kanyape oke be wota do go inyo ito one ikona ije sunu kaponi utana kona adumuni to Adeka kono ko TB.
Of course we might have successes like we have in screening, but what we have noticed is that we still have patients whom we are losing after we have started them on treatment. Along the way they get lost, you can't trace them. It's still unfortunate that a few of them are even dying. That's really very absurd in this era where we have some good drugs which can manage the TB.
Winifred Atiang na ipolokit aina peta Elweera kwa dekis na kosen Cleo rungo nges itetemit eiponelo epedo totor kesi angichun Itungalu ejiasi karie bona.
Kwenye epedo rosani kwenye Itungalu itoria sofisi everything questions in this kwa pena trabe jatari itueta wala nede parti sabitimiare nyiri kware kari bona toro ana peda ita Jesu lukwako udan ninare jatari twete depoto mo aimentano le marisa wala sodenwa dari unti de pole lo matari risas no mtiri risas bakasile jatari twete itegari samu kanbi.
Elweera nis epedori aikopaki neja itungana nichie kotomo kwam arewola yene jazi Adeka na. Ko Uganda isula ikesito diarito sebe Adeka na nis eyari nepeta Itunga itomonango no kotomango no kwatat kotomaka ngini Itunga ilukumina kwatat kangolikaru. Kanuka TV East, Patrick Eteu kwa Muria.